Have you ever wondered how a simple raw panel becomes a perfectly crafted wall panel? Watch as we take you through the entire CNC machining process from start to finish. The raw panel is loaded into our CNC machining center, where precision cutting, drilling, and milling begin. Every movement is calculated to ensure accuracy, smooth edges, and a flawless surface. High-speed tools shape each detail exactly according to design specifications, transforming a flat board into a three-dimensional architectural piece. Surface finishing and contouring are completed with meticulous care, making sure the panel meets exact tolerances. From drilling holes to cutting intricate patterns, every step is monitored and automated for consistent quality. By the end of the process, the panel has taken shape, ready for installation with perfect alignment and smooth edges. From raw material to a finished wall panel, CNC machining combines precision engineering with automation, creating panels ready for any architectural project. Experience the perfect blend of technology and craftsmanship in every piece we produce. Want to see more CNC precision in action? Follow us for more behind-the-scenes manufacturing insights.